Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to make Reddit TikTok videos using AI. So first up here, if we're going to open your TikTok and search for Reddit stories, here you will find some of the sample videos that made using AI. So as you can see, we have some bunch of videos right here. Now, to make a Reddit TikTok video using AI, the first thing we can do is click on the new tab button. And then here on the search box, we're going to search for Reddit stories, right? So you can just search for Reddit stories. And from here, you'll find some of the result. You can basically change to Reddit story if you want. And then if you scroll down, you'll find a bunch of results here that you can basically connect or just basically go to this website. So here I'm going to click on next to see another websites or results right here. So in this case, I'm going to select one here, for example, Reddit stories. Right, I'm gonna try to open this website. So here, as you can see, this is from Reddit. So we can just copy any Reddit story here. So I'm going to just go back and just go to the real website, which is the Reddit. So as you can see, we have here on Reddit story time. Here you can find a story here that we can use to create a video using AI. So in this case, I'm going to find a article. So right here, I'm going to use this one. So what will I going to do here is first is take a screenshot. So just take a screenshot from your keyboard. Definitely you will find a print screen on your keyboard or F11 on my keyboard here. So it will now start to print or take a screenshot. So right here. So basically that title, right? And then we can just leave it here and it will automatically save to your computer. Now, the next step that we can do now is we need to use a video editor, which is the Flixer. So in this sample, I'm going to use a Flixer. So this is actually a video editor or online video editor. So just a simple tool that we can use. So as you can see, the fastest way to create videos. Now we can get started here. You can use this video editor without signing up. All right, so we can add media from our computer. So just click to upload, right? So we can add some videos here. Now in this case, I'm going to use a video from my computer. So this is just a sample video, right? So I'm going to use right here. And then you should have to wait until it's done importing these two videos on your Flickr or Flixer app. So we're going to wait right here. And then once done, as you can see, once your videos are imported, so basically you can start to edit this one. So the first thing here is we need to just customize or select the resolution. So it is actually a TikTok video, so we can use 9:16. All right, so we can drag and drop this video here from right here, and we can also just click on feed canvas or fill canvas, or you can basically just crop. So you can use this tool to crop the video in order to fill the space on your screen. Right. So if you're going to select the screen resolution, I'm going to select 9:16 and we can just modify it. Right. And then the next one, we can just add a media. So basically we can just add the title from the Reddit story. All right. So we can add this one and put it in front of the video. So there you go. And then we can just create a voice or add a voice. So just we're going to click on this text to speech right over here. So once we choose this text to speech option, so we just need to paste the information. All right, so we're going to just copy a little bit here. All right, so yeah, as you can see, you need to delete some of the details, and then we can just change the voice settings if you want. You can customize it, and then you can select a voice that you want, AI voice. So if you want to generate this
A
one,
week ago, my so-called friends allegedly found pictures of my classmates' thighs on my phone without my having any idea about it.
all right, we can use another
Hello?
voice here.
I can read any text you type in the box to
So
the
as you
right.
can see, we
Hello,
can
I can read
preview
any
it.
text you type in the box.
Hello, I can read any text you type in the box to the right with an AI voice that sounds real. A week ago,
Alright,
my
so-
so-called friends allegedly found pictures of my classmates' thighs on my phone without my having any idea about it.
All right, so we can use that voice actually. And if we're going to unlock that text to speech, we will need to basically buy a subscription from this app from Flixer to enable this text to speech. So for example, if you want, you can just basically upgrade or get a business plan right here. You can just select if you want pro or business. So you just have to choose a plan that you want in order to use this feature. Now, in this case, I'm just going to use the voice here. So I actually record my screen and the desktop audio. So I get the audio now. So let's proceed to the next step. All right. So as you can see, we have now the voice. So as you can see the wave right here. And then we can just add or add a auto subtitle. So you can just make the video like this, as you can see on your screen. But if you can't use this one, so maybe just this sample, just want to use this simple video here, right? So if we're going to play,
A week ago, my so-called friends allegedly found pictures of my classmates' thighs on my phone without my having any idea about it.
all right, so that just was an example. Okay, so we're going to export this one and save this to your computer. And once you've done, you can now go to your TikTok and can upload this video in order to post it on your account. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.